Bye.
You right? I'm a little teapot, round and short. Jack threw me off the side, now I'm dead. Yeah. Right. That's it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get. Uh-oh. Jack's in trouble. Someone come along and they're gonna get her in, put her in the microwave, have chicken for dinner, and then it's gonna taste really yummy in my tummy. But with some wood. Oh, it's nice, right? Bye then. How much is that birdie in the door? I'm gonna get you. Oh no, that's it. Oh, which way am I gonna go? Which way am I gonna go? I'm gonna get the bird. I'm gonna get the bird. Got ya! Papa, that's how it goes. Papa, everyone knows. They all suppose what Papa Jack would suppose when they hear Papa. Begging. Bye. Bye, Jack.
Bye.
Oh. Hello. What are we doing? Don't know. I don't know what I've been told. I don't know what I've been told. Jack don't like to drink tea cold. I heard she's a
Bye.
chin to
Bye.
it's cold. Bye. I don't know where a jackal is. Bye, Jack. Bye. Bye. Where is Jack?
Bye.
Don't go. Oh. You alright? Yeah. What? Oi. 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 Right. That's it. I don't know what I've been told. Wow. Where's Jack? Where's Jack? Where's Jack? Come on then. Ow. You right? Oh, bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jack. I'm a little teapot, round and short. Jack threw me off the side, now I'm dead. Yeah. Where's Jack? I don't know. Where's Jack? Where's that Jack bird gone? Has anybody? No. Why? Right. That's it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get. Uh-oh. Jack's in trouble. Someone come along and they're gonna get her in, put her in the microwave, have chicken for dinner, and then it's gonna taste really yummy in my tummy. But she's gonna be gristle and meat, really healthy, unless you're. Uh-oh. Jack.
Oi.
What?
Oi.
want some wood? Oh, it's a nice rope. Bye then. I'm going to get you. Got ya. Bye, Jack. What? What? Oi, excuse me. What? How much is that birdie in the door? Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh no, that's it. Oh, which way am I gonna go? Which way am I gonna go? I'm gonna get the bird. I'm gonna get the bird. Got ya. Don't you hiss at me, right? Did you just hiss at me? That is it. You are in some serious trouble, missus. Got ya. I love you, Jack. I love you. Right, that's it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Bye, Jack. Bye. Bye-bye, Jack. Bye-bye then. Lorna. Bye, Jack. There's a Jackal-bean I know, pretty grey and very lovely. Right, do you want a cup of tea? Do you want a cup of tea? Oh, come on then.